Sam here. Happy New Year! So this video is about Vivo S12 Pro, which was released several days ago, but still I like to do a video about it, and it happened to be my first video in 2022. By the way, what's your New Year's resolution for 2022? My goal is to hit 100k followers on YouTube. Though this is my every year goal, I never made it in the past. Hopefully it will work this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Your support is the true motivation for me to put a continuous effort into my future videos. It's free anyway! If you're wondering what comes inside the box, here they are. One thing I noticed for many Chinese phone manufacturers nowadays is that they always include sealing stickers just to prevent water leakage or something, the same as the Xiaomi 12 phones. If you haven't watched that video, go click it right here. Now about the phone. The first thing we noticed immediately was it's really thin and lightweight, with only 171 grams and 7.3mm thickness. We could say this is the most lightweight 5G phone we've reviewed in recent months. Though we have the protruding rear camera module, it's well balanced and has a good hand feel to it. It looks premium and elegant. If you have watched our previous Vivo S10 Pro video, you probably still remember that magic color-changing back panel. The photochromic technology is innovative and out of this world. This time, Vivo S12 Pro has taken even further with an upgraded photochromic material which has a better ultraviolet and blue light absorption. So it has an even wider color changing range and a faster response time. On the last model, we have to use an ultraviolet torch to trigger color changing. This time you just put it under any normal light, it will change its color. Of course, how can we miss the camera performance, as Vivo always puts camera innovation in the top echelons of its priority lists. As for the rear camera, I put all the specs on the screen. For Vivo S12 series, it all sports a 108MP main snapper. For the front camera, the Pro sports a 50MP main selfie shooter and an 8MP wide-angle snapper. Here are the photo samples. From our testing, seems Vivo adopts a true-to-life color style. They don't add extra saturation to the photos we've taken. But for the portrait mode, Vivo just really puts a lot of beauty algorithm. But we like it. Even looks really pretty, isn't it? And if you're wondering how's the performance in a dark situation, here's it. Overall looks clean and sharp. Even 1 or 2 times of zoom is usable, as you can see. As for the selfie camera, Vivo has put 2 pairs of color-changing soft LED lights, which doubled compared to its predecessor, on the front to capture selfies that look studio-lit. As you can see from the interface, you can either go with bright illumination in really dark surroundings or opt for the sun-kissed bronze look in your selfies. Here are 3 selfies on the different tones. Which one do you like most? Vivo also offers a bunch of filters to different selfie enthusiasts. There are many templates in their mini movie option. It packs all those cool visual effects, filters, transitions, and music features, so you can make some cinematic videos without going into too much trouble. Of course, another great feature that we really like is the teleprompt function. We enable this function in the camera interface. After we input our content, we can adjust the size and speed of the text. Then we start recording. It's perfect for those creators who are not good at improvised speaking, like me. If you want to know any downsides for the front camera, the 4K 60fps resolution is not compatible with beauty, and for stabilization, the picture is being cropped too much. For the specs of the Vivo S12 Pro, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. It features a 6.56-inch AMOLED HDR10+ display with a 90Hz screen refresh rate and a 240Hz touch time rate. It has made some optimizations specifically for gaming, like it has built-in 12 gaming antennas and a gaming boost mode, which makes gaming experience more stable and faster. Now you can enter the PUBG game in just 1 second. We love how smooth it is. But the only thing we don't like is the single stereo speaker, which is less enjoyable. Both phones are running the Orange OS Ocean based on the Android 11 operating system. The device is powered by the 4300 mAh battery and comes with the support for 44W fast charging technology. Alright, that's the video. Special thanks to my partner Eva for providing the footage. Please subscribe to her channel. Let's make at least 20k subs for our channel. Please! Link is in the description. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.